got my Birkenstocks. I got my Birkenstocks. Birkenstock, 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 Birkenstock.
For your mind, you did for yourself, you know, no. You did talk, you did chat, you did do like the money just did flow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better. I'm back and I'm better. What? I say I'm back, and I'm better. If you guys are new to my channel today, I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is eddorbor, and welcome to Dwin's World. As you guys can tell from the title of the video today, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Birkenstock. Before we get started in this video today, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and join the I'm Back and Better squad. You guys can go ahead and check out all my social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and also I post on YouTube Shorts every single day. Go ahead and turn your post notification bell on. Before we get started in this video today, don't forget to go ahead and check out my website at www.eddorbor.edd. I make crochet outfits for summer, vacation, winter, girls' night out, boyfriend date nights, well, girlfriend and boyfriend date night, swimsuits, the list goes on. Go ahead and check out my website. It's going to be in the description box below, and every single one of my social medias are going to be in the description box below. Okay, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, I'm super excited. Okay, if you are a Birkenstock lover, I want to say props to you. If you are not a Birkenstock lover, or like you were before and then you left it and now you want to come back, join the team. Come on in. When I was in high school, I was obsessed with Birkenstock. Okay, I wore Birkenstock any and everywhere. I had it in all colors. When I was on a cheer team, I had Birkenstocks. Like, I was like a Birkenstock freak. Okay, after I graduated high school, freshman year of college, I had Birkenstock, and then into like my sophomore, junior year, I was like, I'm not feeling it. I thought they were ugly. I was just out of that phase. So mind you, I've graduated college. It's been about almost 2 years now. So I would say the past 4 years, I've been like, ew, Birkenstocks are so ugly. Why do people wear them? But for some reason, recently I've been obsessed with them. Like, when I say obsessed, like, I think they're so cute. Like, it's like take me back to my good old days. So guess what I did? I got me a Birkenstock. This is the Arizona Birkenstock in color black. I got this in a size 6. So this is a UK size 4.5, but I got this in a size 6. It is so comfortable. I was in the store and I saw the rubber one. I'm sure you guys seen the rubber one. I'm gonna put on the screen right here. They have the rubber Birkenstock, which is like $60, and these ones, the Arizonas, are like $145-ish. Let me go ahead and show you guys the entire box. This is what the different type of Birkenstocks they have. These are all super cute. I think these are ugly, but I feel like I'm gonna end up liking this one too, and I might end up buying them. I'm not sure. So Birkenstock, if you want to work with your girl, I'm that girl. Work with me. I also like the Yara, and I like the Boston one. The Boston one is cute. Okay, I think they're ugly, but at the same time, I think they're cute. Okay, I have a problem with ugly things being cute over time. Just bear with me. Like, you will understand. Okay, so this is the box. This is the Birkenstock. This is what I have. I did a little like cute unboxing for my TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest videos. So I'm gonna put it in here somewhere. I'm gonna shoot a video with music in the background, but this is what the Birkenstock look like. This is it. This Birkenstock is so cute. This is the black Arizona one. I think they're so cute. They're very adjustable. I adjusted the straps and it fit really good and perfectly. They're like matted black leather. I think they're leather, I'm not sure. They're so freaking cute. I love it. I think you should go ahead and buy it. Why not? That's all I have to say. It's so cute. Just go ahead and buy yourself a Birkenstock right now. Like, now. This is what it looked like. This is the bottom of the Birkenstock. They are so freaking nice. These shoes are comfortable. Like I stated, I had Birkenstocks in high school, so I know how comfortable they are. They're true to size. Actually, these are size 37. This is a size 37. They gave me the wrong box. This is a size 37, which is a size 6. Definitely go ahead and buy yours. And this would be cute with any, when I say any and every outfit. Get yourself a Birkenstock today. Da, 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 da. I love you guys. I hope you guys like this video. See you guys in my next one. Got my Birkenstocks. I got my Birkenstocks. Birkenstock, Birkenstock. Ah, Birkenstock, Birkenstock. Ah, yeah. Birkenstock. Ta-da.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way,
thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I really enjoyed creating this content. Like I stated previously in the video, I've had Birkenstock for so long and I got rid of it, and now I'm back into the Birkenstock world. I love it. This goes with any and everything, and literally, like, I will wear it during the winter time, during the summertime, socks, the list goes on. If you like this video, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn your post notification bell on, and then also check out all my social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and then also turn your notification bell on from my shorts videos, okay? And lastly, don't forget to go ahead and check out my business website at eddorbor.edd. I have the latest outfit for you this summer and winter. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.